Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. It is made with 3 colors. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and a cotton yarn for my project, but you can use any type of yarn or crochet hook. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your finger. Pull this yarn a little. Now with the help of crochet hook, make a magic ring. Now take this yarn and make chain 1. After that, into the magic ring, make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7 and single crochet 8. Now pull the starting yarn and close the ring. Now we would change the color. Now into the first single crochet stitch, make a slip stitch with the pink color yarn. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. And after that, into the same space, make double crochet stitch and take these 2 yarn ends inside the work so that we don't have to weave these yarn ends separately. Make 2 chains and into the next single crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, make chain 1 and then chain 2 and into the next single crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, again make 2 chains and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the next single crochet stitch. So in this way we would make 2 double crochets into each single crochet stitch of the first round, and we would make 2 chains in every double crochet stitch. Now cut these yarn ends and complete the round. So I have made 2 double crochets and 2 chain in every stitch. Now make 2 chains in the last, and after that make a slip stitch into the third chain, and after that make a slip stitch into the double crochet stitch. And now we have to work into the chain 2 space, and we have to change the color also. So we would make a slip stitch in this chain 2 space with this white color yarn, and we would weave these yarn ends inside the work also. Make 4 chains. After that wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and again pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our treble crochet stitch. So make another treble crochet stitch into the same space, and again make a treble crochet stitch into the same space. So in this way we would make total of 3 treble crochets. Again make 4 chains, and after 4 chains make a slip stitch into this chain 2 space. Our first petal is ready. For the second one, again we would work into the chain 2 space, so make a slip stitch into the chain 2, make 4 chains, make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, and then treble crochet 3 into the chain 2, I have made 4 mistakenly, so remove 1 treble crochet, make 4 chains, and after that make a slip stitch into this chain 2 space. Now cut these yarn ends and make the other petals again in every chain 2 space. So make a slip stitch into the next chain 2 space, again make 4 chains, and after making 4 chains make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, and then treble crochet 3 into the chain 2 space, and again make 4 chains and make a slip stitch into the same chain 2 space. Then make a slip stitch into the next chain 2 space and repeat the process. So I have made petals. Now into the starting one, in very first chain 2 space make a slip stitch and pull the yarn. Cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of crochet hook, take this yarn end at the back side of flower and pull this yarn end through some stitches of back side, and in this way weave this yarn end. So this is our beginner friendly flower. You can use it in baby hats or baby frocks. Now cut this yarn strand. You can also use this flower to make baby blankets. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe and like. Let me know in the comments if you have question. Once again, thank you. Bye.